I was looking for an egress window for our house up north, and I Googled it, and I just was not comfortable having people sleep down there without an egress window. Having the egress window now, there brings natural light into the room, which is really nice. It doesn't feel so basement-y. I just have peace of mind now. I would give them complete thumbs up. They were great from start to finish. They showed up on time. They got to work. They were very courteous about not dragging dirt into my house. They were very conscious of not tearing up my lawn with their equipment. The yard, they cleaned up after themselves downstairs. They didn't take very long at all. We were very, very impressed with both of them. It was a great experience, and I would definitely call them again if I needed anything in my house up north or downstate. They did a great job, and they were truly professional.